Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 91 Hartford Avenue, at 224, Providence Lofts. Second floor studio apartment for rent. Starting a video tour right when you walk in. Your closet area there to my left. Beautiful hardwood flooring, high ceilings, mini splits, ceiling fans. All utilities are included. Big windows, plenty of natural light. Got your kitchen area here with refrigerator, stovetop, no stove though, please note. Countertop and cabinet space, built-in microwave. To my right, bathroom, shower, no tub, and vanity. I'd like to apply for 91 Hartford Ave, Unit 224, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.